Hey guys, just a quick information about this regulator for A11. This is for A11 VO or LO. LO means with a charge pump, and VO is a normal. So when it comes to pressure regulator, this adjustment here, if it is closer to the export, so this one here is a DRS type. So I will show you, I will tell you how do I know that it's a DRS type or DRG. Okay, so this is a load sensing type. So this adjustment here is for load sense, and then the second one far from the export is pressure cutoff or DR adjustment. Okay, pressure control adjustment. Right, so pressure cutoff and load sensing adjustment. Okay, I will show you how do I know if it is remote control or a load sensing type control. So hang on. So this is how you know that the control is a load sensing type or a remote control type. So this spool here, by looking this spool here, see there's no drilling here and through here, so meaning it's a solid. So this spool here is solid, so meaning the signal is coming in to the regulator. The DRG type or the remote control type is, see here there's a drilling, so that drilling passed through in this area here, so meaning the signal is coming out. So you need to, so that signal can remotely control. Okay, so this is for the A10V. But if the spool has a drilling all the way through from here to here, meaning that is a load sensing, no, the remote control type controller. Okay, and this one here is a load sensing type, because the signal from in this port here, port X, is going in. So if it is going in, meaning it's a load sensing type. If it is going out, the signal is out, means remote control type, because that signal you can remotely control. Okay, that's DRG. All right, that's it.